Hey guys, I just wanted to share my thoughts on Jordan Mackey's Buy 9 to 5 affiliate course and YouTube Masterclass course. They're actually both amazing, to be honest. I've bought in some courses in the past up to $500,000, and they don't nearly come as in depth as Jordan's. He's very generous in his deliverance and very efficient in his execution of his material. He really does know his stuff, and he is gracious enough to keep on updating, throwing in more content without charge. That alone is amazing, but the fact that he has it at such an affordable price just speaks multitudes of his character. So I encourage everyone that is interested in making money online to give him a try. Follow him on YouTube and try one of his courses. You won't be disappointed.